Hi friends, next we are going to start with Module C, Human Resource Management, first unit, Fundamentals of Human Resource Management. Friends, please go through the whole video as it has complete notes of this unit. So friends, we are starting with the Human Resource Management. Every organization has an HRM wing. So this is an important chapter. In December 2019, the questions came from this, like match the following and all. So please study this carefully. Peter Drucker, his book is named as The Landmark of Tomorrow, is very important. People component is a key factor of success strategy. Here I am giving the main points from the textbook. People component is a key factor of success strategy. People management is always a live issue in any organization. So people component is a key factor of success strategy in an organization nowadays, whereas it was not a success strategy in early organizations. And people management is always a live issue. The perspective. Satisfaction of needs of individuals along with the achievement of organization goals is the perspective of an organization, and the needs of individual means needs of the staff of that organization. Edgar Schein in 1979 said that an organization is a rational coordination of actions of a number of people for the achievement of common goal, and these number of people are the workmen of that organization. And the organization can be formal or informal. It consists of people and the activities done by them, and their activities are now called as work. A manager by profession, Robert Owen said about better working conditions, and his workmen he called as vital machines. A maths teacher, a mathematics professor, Charles Babbage, used division of labor in his organization. These are done for increasing productivity in their organization. Next is Frederick Taylor. He used scientific management approach. Also used the concept of division of labor. Time and motion studies he conducted. He says that every workman should complete their work. That is scientific management approach. And today's organization as operating in VUCA. VUCA means volatility, uncertainty, complexity, ambiguity. VUCA. It's an important, these points, all points are very important from this chapter. Next, Elton Mayo, Sir Elton Mayo, he conducted Hawthorne studies. So, he says individuals are motivated to work other than money. Elton Mayo, Hawthorne studies. Trends in personal management. Hard-hearted social welfare viewpoint. Two types of trends in social management. Hard-hearted means the organization is profit-minded, and whereas social welfare viewpoint, the organization is socially active. Earlier, labor welfare department was there, then it became personal department. Now the personal department is in HR department, human resource department. So that's why we are studying about human resource management. Next is administration and maintenance. Administration consists of acquisition, promotion and evaluation. Administration, salary and long-term benefits of staff. Maintenance means traditional labor management, grievance and discipline management all comes in maintenance. HRD is a developmental system, and HRD is a subsystem of human resource management. HRD is a subsystem of human resource management. CPD is continuous professional development. CPD is to meet organizational requirements. Role of HR professionals by Parekh and Rao. Parekh and Rao grouped in 1981 the multiple functions under 5 headings. They are supervisory role, system development and research, role of developing competence, process role and management role. Supervisory role means strengthening the organization. System development and research, developing systems that deal with people. Then role of developing competences within employees, and process role and managerial role means performing managerial functions. Motivation theory by Hertzberg, it is also known as hygienic theory. Hertzberg's hygienic theory. Critical attributes are technical, managerial and personal. Critical attributes of an HR staff is technical, managerial and personality. Shade in 1992 said that HRM is a integral part of resource management. Competence for HR head can be divided into two, behavioral and functional. HR is a regulatory watchdog and play police. And hiring and firing paperwork is also done by HR. That is hiring and firing of employees, and its paperwork is done by human resource manager. Also, he is a regulatory watchdog and play policy, and also conduct play policy. Development of HR functions in India. Labor welfare officers under Factories Act. First, the human resource department, there were no human resource department, but the first were labor welfare officers. Then, to increase knowledge of individuals in human resource department, IIPM started Indian Institute of Management 1947 for training personal managers, and NILM, National Institute of Labor Management in 1982 also started for this. This is to encourage cordial relation between employer and the employees. So these two institutions started. Also, another institution was the Indian Society of Training and Development, started in 1970. TISCO, Tata Iron and Steel Company, Jamshedpur. It's an old organization. It already has regulation for employee welfare. Next is important article on this related to human resource. Article 16(1) of Indian Constitution, equal opportunity for employment. So employment exchange started according to this act in 1959 for giving public vacancies. Apprentice Act 1961 is for training. Child Labour Act 1986 is for safeguarding children. Interstate Migrant Workmen Act 1979 for safeguarding exploitation of migrant workers. So friends, these all are the important points from this unit. So kindly go through the video and make notes. It will be very useful for the exam.